Hi guys, welcome to the new episode of FZ Leagues. So today we have Nitu and Sam. Sam, yes, everyone busy because we are now in Badishi's area. Last week also was here, but it's not up until now. So now we are going to where? Oman. We are going to Oman, which is lying inside UAE. Okay, so let's see. Do you guys know that there is an Oman inside UAE? Yeah, there is an Oman inside UAE, and there is a UAE inside that Oman. So we are now going to that Oman. There is one place called Al Nahwa, which is part of Oman, and there is a place called Al Nahwa, which is inside this Oman, which is coming in part of Sharjah, UAE. So now we are going there and see the terrain, the road which we are going. It's very difficult. I don't know my car will make up this or not. Let's see. Let's enjoy the route. So guys, let's have a photo session here. Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
And let's fly our drone. Guys, what I'm telling was this is very landslide prone area. See how the sides are. So it's very risky to drive here, but the views are. Oh, the heck is that? What the heck is that? Is that ready to fall down? Is that ready to fall down? Oh my god! It's really very good. Let's move on. Oh man! Guys, we are officially in Oman. Oh my god. We are in Oman. No border crossing, no passport. Sam, we are officially in Oman. Oh. So without passport, without any immigration, we are in Oman. This is the part of Oman, so we don't need any passport or border crossing, nothing to reach here. It's very easy, but it's a little risky area. See the routes, it's very high risky area. If you have a 4x4 vehicle, it will be easy for you, but for this, oh my boy, it's very difficult. Let's see. I don't know how to go outside. We have two routes here, so let's check it out. So guys, we are going to take a serious risk. Actually, it's very risky. Adventurous. It's very adventurous. We are going to the Sharjah, which is lying inside Oman. Yeah, but the route. See the route. It's steep slope, man. Let's see how my car will do. Yeah. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
Yes. We are at the top, man! Hey! So we have finished our first challenge, climbing up the steep slope. Don't know whether there is more steep slopes. As per my information, the road is very pathetic.
Oh, that's the only.
Yeah. So officially we are in roaming. I'm really fed up. It's too hot outside, but the views are extraordinary, superb. Yeah, how's the views outside? Salmon like this. Oh, salmon like that. Oh, so we are going above. UAE border. Oh, 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 oh. Gitu, bakilan bawa ke bawah. Bawa ke bawah. Tiki. Kamera ni. So guys, how was that? How was that steep slope going down? If we come back in this same road, we'll have to climb that. So we'll not be coming this way. We'll be going outside. We'll be going directly to Khorfakkan. We have another route.
Dia tak lupa ni.
Nama kandang kan. Kucing lah pada ni kita. Ah. Guys, this is very interesting. So guys, when I check now, we are now inside UAE again. We are back to UAE. This place, I don't know what this place is now, because if we go forward, we can see Al Nahwa. We'll reach Al Nahwa here. Oh, this is that, man. We reach here. Whoa.